Nature speaks with the heightened peak when long trees show its blossom leaves. The blooming flowers with many colors add the beauty in the heart of nature lovers. Chirping birds in the morning hours make feel freshness to those who are addicted worshippers. The moon, the sun, the stars' fun create happiness and those who run. They tried to chase them with feet and fell down but came to know their defeat. The crawling insect on the mud inspired a dedication to float on flood. Thousands of them died under our feet, but still thousands live on prickly heat. Hide and seek of squirrels on trees motivate us to live with bliss. As life is nothing but a game of play, where we learn new things on each day. A floating river near the lake tells us that we are or flakes. Those who float near the riverside will surely reach to its destination with pride. The sun, the stones, the rocky hills are the obstacles that we swallowed in form of pills. First day, they all gave us burns, but after crossing they make new turns. The humming bees, the beetle bugs, all create nuisance in empty mugs. Sometimes we try to follow their routine, but very soon left it as a sort of fun dream. The hilly mountains, the highest peak, lead us toward hard-working zeals. All that moment very personal that the human life contains smooth tries. Cloudy weather and heavy rain brings luck and fortune in our daily grain. The more and more our crop increase, the less and less our sorrow decrease. Birds, animals, fishes, and other living beings play a good role in ecological green. Human is also a part of this circle, as one life is enough to create a miracle. In fact, human life and nature goes parallel in each situation. The only difference between both of them is that human shouts, but nature speaks with sentiments.